Welcome back. I'm going to put together a three-course meal for us. It's going to be roasted vegetables, broiled salmon, fresh pasta made with rosemary. We're going to grill at about 650 degrees. I'm going to be using cast iron for part of the grilling, and for the vegetables I'm going to be using my paella pan. I've got some olive oil here, which has some garlic in it. Put that right in there, just kind of cover the bottom. I'm going to put our sliced carrots. And the carrots are sliced up and they're marinating in a little bit of vinaigrette. While those carrots are cooking, get the fish prepared. I'm going to be using a mixture of ginger, garlic, and scallions that I've just cut from the garden. Here's our garlic, and I'll just smash that. I'm going to just make a little bit of pesto with it, and we've got some ginger. I'll just smash that. And those are roasting up quite nicely. I'm going to put in now some onions and mushrooms. Those will brown up. I'm going to put some oil onto my cast iron skillet here. And we're going to run back fresh salmon. You can only use fresh fish. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut strips right here. So I'm going to cross-cut, take this mixture, press it right into the fish. Let's head back over here. See, that oil is smoking. Let that begin to heat up. We've got some fresh rosemary pasta. We have some water boiling here. In the water, we have some salt. We'll let that heat right up. And we're going to let that cook about 3 minutes. You see that the fish is cooking right up. The next thing I'm going to add some peppers. Cover that up. We're simply going to put in some very fresh pea pods. Let's take a look at our pasta here. Just about done. Let's drain our pasta. Let's shut it off. Our fresh pasta. And we'll grab some pasta, fresh roasted vegetables, roasted salmon. Thanks for coming, and we'll see you next time.